Hi, it's Joan. I'd like to talk about some of the commonly made errors at the bridge table that we all make. Remember, bridge is a game of mistakes, so there's absolutely no way that you'll avoid making mistakes on quite a lot of hands. But it's only by recognizing this and trying to do something about it that slowly but surely you become a better player. And the declarer play is so vital that when we make the plan, we need to think at the end of the plan, which is look at our assets, decide what techniques we need to use, and then the C part of the plan is consider the order we'll play the hand in. In that part of the plan, you then think to yourself, what could go wrong? Is there anything I've missed? Should I draw trumps? Do I have entries? These things take a while to actually percolate and for you to get it. But if you're constantly thinking about it, you will get it. So this hand, I think, is a pretty good example of it. Partners opened one diamond, and we, with 15 points, would prefer to show one heart before agreeing diamonds. So partner raises hearts. Well, we don't have any problem now. We just go straight to four hearts. Partner has a minimum opening hand with four hearts and at least four diamonds. So putting the plan together, we would say no losers in diamonds. We've got all the top diamonds. Only one loser in clubs because we've got the ace and a doubleton. One loser in spades because we've got 3 and 3 and the ace king and another. So no diamond losers, one club loser, one spade loser, and we may not have a heart loser. We've got everything except the queen. But let's count the number of winners. 4 diamonds, 1 clubs 5, 2 spades 7, 2 hearts 9. Surely we'll get an extra trick in the heart suit. So before you actually make the first play, a common error is to launch too quickly into a hand without really thinking of what could go wrong and what was that lead all about. It's a bit of a strange lead, isn't it? When partner opened a diamond and we've got all the top diamonds from the ace down to the 8, what a weird lead to make. The only answer to that lead is that it could be a singleton. Sometimes people lead singletons when they're hoping to get a ruff and they don't have a particularly good hand, but they think they might get a ruff. So keeping in mind that that could be and will be shortage, pretty likely, it would be dangerous to take the heart finesse. We could happily play a heart to the ace and one back to the king, not taking the finesse. The queen dropped, but that was just lucky, really. We didn't even expect the queen to drop. We thought we might have to give a trick to the queen. But now we can take out the last trump and we will make 11 tricks. So now just win the spade, take the next spade and give them a trick. And we've enjoyed 11 tricks. So it's very sad if you think about, if you tried to take that heart finesse, you would have failed. So let's have a look at this. You win the ace of diamonds. If you played a heart to the ace and then the 2 up to the jack and lost to the queen, East would say, same as you do, why did partner lead a diamond? Especially when they're looking at ace, king, queen, jack in the dummy, and they would say, I'm returning another diamond, which they would, and their partner would trump. Now you would lose the Queen of Hearts, the trump, one club and one spade, and you would make 9 tricks, not 11. So a really common error that's easily fixed up is trying to recognize the danger and not launching straight into a hand and playing too quickly to the first trick before you've really had a chance to think about the C part of that plan. Have a great week, everyone.